Let's say trading great again. Future thought has this to say. We watch all of your streams, cause it's not fun to trade alone. It wasn't just your trades, it's your blood, your sweat, your code. Patrick blazed the trail, roaring loud into the air. We watched him carve his name, we studied every stair. Now here we all are brothers, future's floor is at your door. We've learned from all your battles, and we crave the trading war. Gonna take a chance and prove our name. That's the price to play this trading game. Future star. Future store, come and trade on the floor. Future store, come and trade on the floor. Future store is the stream you really need to see. Future store, come and trade on the floor. Future store is the stream you really need to see.
This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Okay, gotta see how the camera is. Oh, wait a minute. It's true. I don't even have to change it. I just have to click this one. Haha, I love it. So easy. Perfect. We're in business. Hey, what's going on? Still loading? Okay, let me get my rangefinder up so we can enter some trades. Let's also get this one up for the evening. Template, load, golden nights, golden sunrise, backtest evening, load. Well, golden almost sounds like I called it golden shower. Okay. I don't even know what it did today. I forgot. Time's in the middle of nowhere. Let's bring that back down here for now. Unless we get some guests. Now, let's look what we have. Oh, it's picking the account to trade just in case there's a trade. Account. I don't even know what I did today, but we'll go with this guy here. Sim 101. Wow, I'm getting in late. How did Sim 101 do? Winner. Winner. Winner, winner. Oh, shit. Winner, 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 winner. Loser. Winner, winner. Wow, it would have crushed it tonight. Absolutely crushed it tonight. Ah, Salavi, we missed it. I have to get better at running it. I gotta kind of automate the system. MNQ 09, 100,000 contracts. MNQ 06, 40. So obviously, as of 6 p.m. today, MNQ 09 is the dominant contract. Don't fuck around with the other one. Hey. One book. Oh, so much projected work ahead. Okay, I feel it. I feel it. I feel it. There's a whole book disappear. There's my book. My book with my notes. Okay. The one part we got to take care of is sound check. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Sound is working. That's a pretty big delay, actually. And then next we go here. Look at all these screens open. Wow, I need them all open. What are we looking at? Mic check. Sounds good. I mean, I don't think I really have to check, but make sure it's 88. 88 is good. And let's go here and see what we got. Well, we got a bullish run on the 1 minute. We have bullishness on the 2 minute. Bullishness on the 5 minute. Bullishness on the daily. And we had a pretty strong bullish day. Yeah, on when? On Monday. So let's sell. I can see, yeah, well, there was some selling. I could see us trading back up into the 5 o'clock close. PB stays high. Who the hell knows? Nobody knows. Let's just watch. What do we got here? Missed the losing trade. Do I want to get in early on this one? Or do I want to get like 94 on it? You know what? I'm automating it. I'm going to have a switch called Trading Enabled. Which if I enable it, it's going to allow me to enter the trades automatically. See, I could have been in at 95, I think. Let's try. Sell limit. Right there. would have been taking profits already. My cash register would have been ringing. I should make clearer variables. Anyways, each one is different. So this one is which one is vibration range. Next. Let's create a variable. Oh no, it's not a variable. It's going to be an input. Add. Trading. Enable. We're going to set it to false by default. So it's false. If we set it to true, trades will be taken. What the hell is this 5 limit? Sell limit. Hey, Coach Fred. Nice to have you joining me. What's up? Nothing. I'm coding this. I don't even know if it shows. Yes, it does. I got 2-minute hiking as sheet charts, 1-minute hiking as sheet charts, all based on Omnius' setups. And I'm coding this to trade inside the vibration of basically VWAP. VWAP is 8 points. So right now we got 95 to 75, 25. What is the Omnius setup? Well, I traded a little bit differently, but basically on the 5-minute, if the Heiken SE closes above the recent swing high, we're thinking bullish momentum. The swing highs are marked off by the dashed lines. So once we broke the dashed line, the orange one, we were bearish all the way, broke another one. But now we have this swing low over here. But now we just broke a swing high on the 5-minute. That's 5-minute. 2-minute. We basically broke the swing high over here. We're bullish. This one we didn't break. This one we didn't close. So we're still bullish. So we go over here, and as long as we're bullish, which we are, until we break this swing low with a close, when you get 2 or more bearish candles and then you get a bullish candle, you go long. Yeah, well, this is the 1-minute, but using it with like a kind of a double-tiered higher time frame analysis. So we got the 1-minute, the 2-minute, and the 5-minute in our favor. I bet if I go to the 15-minute, which is here, no, the 15-minute is bearish. These are the swings, the dashed line. This is the most recent one broken, and that's the most recent bullish, and we haven't broken it yet. So I'm hoping that this closes all the way below here, so I don't have to take a trade. Add miscellaneous current state equals state real time. Okay. Add user input trading enabled equals true. Add if the close is greater than the open. That's a bullish candle. What do we want to do? Enter long by a limit order. Limit price is the open 32. 32 minus 8 is 24. 2 points. Is that a lot? 2 points? Well, there we go. Let's see how this trade works. I guess it should be just a little bit higher. Hopefully we reverse lower. Rah! Bugger. And now we have this one. That was cool. That was a free trade. I did it on Sim by accident. Hey, the public room in Discord. Actually, I go in there now most times. If you feel like hopping on, it's opened. Okay, let's take out a profit on this trade. And then I'll really laugh. Edit. Open. Oh, it's true. I got to do lot size. Back. Oof, there's a lot of input power variables. Add. Lot size. I think it needs to be 3 to work with the thing. Delete. Okay. Oh, we got close to my first TP, but it didn't hit. Come on. I love when it hits. Makes a cash register sound. Chidling. Give it a little spurt. Wrong way. Come on. Spurt up. Ah. Bugger. Is this a false break of the low? I think it is. Four points. Okay, I like 4 points. I'm running some math calculations in my head. Next. 3, open. Ah, yeah. You go close to my take profit, but you don't take me out, but you go to my stop loss so easy, huh? Cheater. You know what? I'm taking it out. You're not taking me out unless you close below a swing low. I'm gonna make it harder for you. You meaning Mr. Market. Grabbed a few shorts. Okay, it's Mike versus Fred. Given that I'm long. For the moment. Yep, still should be long. What do we got there? 59, 64, 64, 71. We should be getting up to 71. 50, 50. Okay. Now, how do we get out of this trade? One, two, three, four. 32, 28. Okay. Next, add. I don't want to put a stop loss. Maybe the ATM. I'm curious to see if the ATM will take care of it. Oh, this might create the infinite loop if I use the ATM. I've been trying to buy that. What happens if the conditions are met, goes in? Oh no, the purchase is a limit order down there. So if it happens to take me out, it can't. Anyways, we'll have to test it. We will have to test it. 40, 44 plus 8 is 52 ticks. Hey, Antonio, I'm working on creating an automated trader for the vibration thing. I'll deal you in. Shouldn't be long. Add. Let's just try with stop loss ticks. 32 minus 4. 28. 29. So the stop loss is 29. Add. Profit target. Ticks is 40. Plus 4 is 44. Plus 8 is 52. Okay. Back. Duplicate. Edit. Less. Okay. Remove. Add. Hello. Super gay. Somebody's super gay. Already somebody's super gay. Covering most. Oh, yeah, that's good. Good, good. Lot size. Limit price. We want to sell. It's the open. Ticks. Subtract ticks from bull bar low. No. Add ticks to bear bar high. Yes. Okay. Okay. Compile. Am I? I think I have to get out anyway because I'm always losing, especially in the evening. Cancel. Now, let me go remove strategies and add it back on the chart. Strategies, keep it Sim 101. Vibrational range. Subtract ticks from bull bar low. That should be 4. Add ticks to bear bar high. That should be 4. 848422. Template, load, default. 832. Let's say 848422. Trading enabled, sim 101 enabled, and we'll wait until flat. Nah, we're going to synchronize. Well, let's see what happens. Hold on to your toque. Not long. Stopped? Really? How'd you get stopped? You were short. I should be getting stopped. Okay, you know what I got to do? I got to redo it. There's too many errors in the code. Trying to find the code, trying to find the errors. Driving me nuts. Let's create version 2 from scratch. V2. Next, next, next. We will remove everything. Next. Goodbye, 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 and goodbye. I can't get rid of set 1? Okay, no problem. Did we close? We did not close below. Any swing low. So we're still bullish. Wow, that was a little bit of a fade. I'll go down to there. It's too big of a stop, though. That's the problem. It needs to be based on the other thing. Down here on the white chart. Anyways, remove, 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 back. Let's get rid of them all. Remove, they're all wrong. Yeah, let's go up. I want to get out of this trade. Whoa, that's a big dump. We're starting already, eh? I think I have to get more careful. Boolean. False. Add. Longs. Add to close. Eight. Add. Long. Add to open. For entry. -4. Delete. What just happened? Why did it go short? I'm so confused. Well, it's on the sim thing. Oh, down here is sim. Really? Oh no, the apex lost. So why is the apex in a trade? What's the volatility? It's 10 points. 50, 65. We should be getting some runners. Well, I'm messing with the code here. Still should go up to 71. Get back here. Add one more. We're going to just do the longs for now. Long. Add. Do. Open. Stop. Stop, really? Do I really need a stop? Okay, well, recovered a little bit. Head and shoulders. I gotta cancel all orders. I don't know why I even had orders there, but it worked out fine. Okay, thinking like a computer is not easy. You have to see things the way the computer would see it. So what do we have? We have long at to close, long at to open for entry, long at to open for stop. You just want to draw lines. This should be 32, minus 32. That's what we had to open. We'll work on trading later. If we close up, add, drawing, horizontal line. Let's make it greenish. I like forest green. Ooh, there's a couple of nicer ones. Sea green. Let's try that. Size 2. Where? Price. Close. Fix. Set. User input. Long at the close. Correct. Add. Drawing. Horizontal line. Let's make it. I like chocolate, corral, sienna, saddle brown. I don't want it to be too black. Sienna. We're going to try dots on this one. Set. It's the open. ticks. Long add to open for entry. No, this is for the stop. Okay. Okay, and one more. Add drawings. Horizontal brine, cauliflower, cornflower, blue, dash, 2, set. It is the open ticks. User input, long add to open for entry. Okay, 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 compile. And this one should be working. Okay, let's just go back. -4, -32. Two negative numbers, strategies. Find version 2. Boom, boom, boom. A trading enabled, false, sim 101. There we go. Let's see. Okay, that looks better. I like the dots. I like that. Perfect. That's what we'll go with. New strategy builder. Got to reopen it. Next. Next. Next, next, next. Less than. Is my mic on? I don't even know. Yes, it is. Okay, back. Now let's add them again. Add. Short. Subtract to close. So we got the move to 71, which I thought we would. Integer 8. -8. Delete. Okay. Now two positives. Short. Add to open entry 4. Okay. Add short add to open stop. Next. Last one. Okay, I think it's working. Let's see. Looks good. Now let's put in the ordering instructions. Add miscellaneous current state equals real time if we have a bar up. Anything else? No. Add order management, limit order, lot size. What's the price? The order is based on the open. Okay. Duplicate. Make it less than. Okay. Add. Order management. Sort by limit order. Lot size. Limit price. Open. Ticks. Oh, this is going to be interesting. Okay. Add. Strategies. Current market position equals market position long. Strategy. Current position size. It's greater than miscellaneous numeric value of 0. Add. Order management. I don't even know if this will work. Exit long position by a limit order. How do we want now? Exit along. How do we exit a long position? We're selling. So you can't exit along by a limit. You want to exit along by a stop order. Well, both. Exit long by a limit order. Let's just try it. Quantity, strategy, current position size. Okay. And what's the limit price of the stop order? It is the open. Okay. That's the limit. And then we want to stop. Order management. Exit long position by a stop order. I don't even think this is going to work. But let's try. Quantity, lot size. What's the stop price? It's the close. Ticks, hurry. There's a trade. Long, add to open, stop. Okay, only one way to know if it works. Let's remove it. Oh, I didn't enable the trade enabler. There we go. Oh, I need one other thing. Sorry. I have to change the state to real time on all the conditions. No, no, they'll need it there. Yeah, you do need it there. Okay, it's there already. Perfect. Strategies. Sim 101. Let's see, we're on Sim 101. Why isn't there a limit order? Edit. Ah, it's on bar close. It's not on every tick. That's why we got to wait for the bar to close. What if we immediately synchronize? Doesn't put in a limit order? That's kind of strange. Anyways, we'll watch it. Okay, so we have a long order at 71. It's a little bit under VWAP. But I am getting a better price. 67, 4 points. I'll take a 4 lot at 67. This is an 11-point profit for a 10-point stop loss, and it's a 71% probability that I hit. I should always create that. You know what? Why don't I just create that ATM custom? Let's make it for a 1 lot. Doesn't matter, 1 lot. Stop loss 10, 40. Profit 11, 44. We don't have a stop strategy. Same template. Let's call it 70% trade. Okay. Okay, we should always be working with it. So 67, 77. Sell limit is somewhere around there. It's a 4 lot. 78. There we go. Taken out. Beautiful. That's how it goes instantly. Just like he says. Head and shoulder push. What the hell was that? Jenna Bush? Jenna Bush Hagerbob. Oh, look. Why is it a 3 lot? I want to do a 1 lot. ATM? Okay, let's do a 3 lot. I did it for a 1, but why is it a 3? Okay, I gotta start over. I gotta remove it. Remove. Close. Strategies. Down here. Version 2. It is a 3 lot. No, I did it as a 1 lot. Lot size 1. Covered. Yeah, I got one also there. Ah, short. I'm going to go take a look. I want to trade gold again. Long right now. Yeah, I caught a nice long. I don't know if you guys saw it. Milking ETF. Crude too. Crude is having some decent range lately. I'm going to try a gold chart like this. MGC 08. Now, what do we need? Let it register. I think we needed to say 10 and 2. We're at 3,400. Let's try 10 and 2. Not crazy about 2 because that's the spread. What's 4 times the spread? It's 8. But then it's 40. Compromise 4 and 20. Let's see if gold ever gives opportunities to enter. No way, not really. It's just a one-way beast. Gold cannot have the same color background. Neither can crude. So I don't get confused. bring them back here. Okay, I want to see my strat in action. I think trading is enabled. Looks like it, obviously. 3 limit. I have an ATM, but I also have other orders. I'm curious to see which one overrides. Now, first, let's see if it works without the ATM. Let's go none. See what happens. So as the bars keep going forward, it's going to keep moving its limit order. What happened? We were saying 2 minute was bullish. Somewhere around 9 o'clock, somewhere around here. We never became bearish, eh? We never closed below. This is close, but we never closed below a swing low. So it's still bullish on the 2 minute. 5 minute. Not even close. 9 o'clock's when I came in, so it's bullish, 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 bullish. I think that's a good way to analyze the markets, actually. Do a top-down analysis from the 5 minute, the 2 minute. Why is the 5 minute just going long over here? Why is it different than this one? Ah, no, it's not. That was 9 o'clock. Sorry, my mistake. It's not different. So,
What's up?
hey, nothing. Just
Don't mind
code
if
it.
I join.
Say that again?
Don't mind if I join you.
No, not at all. Appreciate it. Love it. Love it, love it.
How's the afternoon session going for you?
I can't see who that is. I see he's wearing a white t-shirt, but I'm bugging you. I don't know, not bad. I can't complain. I mean, made one mistake and I lost, I think, $90, and then I realized I did it on the sim account, so I was happy. Yeah, and then I made an
sense of relief, right?
yeah. And then I made another mistake, and that one went well, and it was on the Apex account, on the eval. And then I took one long trade for real, finally. After all the coding I did, what is 55? Wow, I did almost an hour of trying to get the
Just
code
pure coding?
working. Yeah, so now if you can see on the chart there, that limit order, that's automated. It's not me anymore. So it's right on the dotted line. It's right on the entry line. I should make that dotted line bigger and move these. I'm not using them now, so properties. Yeah, there's a lot of lines there. Let me get rid of them. I don't want it visible.
Hey, have you seen the news?
Oh my God, I'm afraid to ask.
Dude, I don't even know how the market's going on right now.
Yeah,
Like
more.
supposedly Trump went to Canada, like a talk or something, and then he had to like fly his way back because Iran was fucking that shit. So he went back to the White House. And like all you see on Twitter is White House aid. American forces are maintaining their defensive posture.
Their defensive posture. Oh yeah.
So,
Well, we'll see what happens. Shit, I
and
remember.
the Prime Minister Carney, he's
Yeah.
like, I fully comprehend why Trump is leaving Earth. I have to be back for obvious reasons. Trump returns to Washington.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, it's going down.
We'll see what happens. But I remember when Russia invaded Ukraine. Holy shit, did the volatility go bananas. It was nuts. I think it was the wildest volatility I've ever seen.
Dude, that's why I don't understand how it's not.
Yeah,
not,
this is pretty
dropping
fucking.
right now.
Yeah, well, it was when the invasion was actually announced. It was going on, so I don't know. Maybe there's no invasion now. Maybe it's just the standard bombing that's everyone's numb from it. It's been going on, I think, since what, October 2023. So it's been
That's
going
crazy.
on for a long time.
Super crazy.
Okay, so so it looks like it worked good. The entry's on the right place. The stop is at the right place, one tick under that line. And the take profit is right on the line. Everything looks good. I like it. I don't even have to do anything. Long to open for entry. Okay, it's this one. Edit.
Oh man. Is this where my long becomes a short?
I don't think so.
uh,
I don't think so. Not yet.
I had highest like aspirations for this long, to be honest. I'm thinking it's gonna go like super high right now, since he got a huge rejection off the bottom level. Gonna get past it.
Like I said, the 5 minute, I don't know what you use to determine whether you should be long or not, or even if you're forming a short-term bias, but the 5 minute is kind of showing that it's heading higher. If you look at the 5 minute, we've been going higher since 9 o'clock, basically. The 2 minute obviously is showing the same thing, and the 1 minute is showing the same thing. We're above VWAP. The 1 minute is climbing, slowly, but kind of climbing. I don't know. I mean, for me to think it would start heading lower, I'd want to see it get under 22,060, somewhere around that level. At least break a previous low, the swing low.
No, okay, yeah,
We're not even breaking, like the swing lows. I don't know if you know, these are my dashed
yeah,
lines
yeah,
here.
yeah.
It's not
Oh,
even
on your let me see. Look at your chart real
on the
quick.
black chart there. It's not even close to breaking a swing low, like closing below one. But we are closing above the swing high,
Wait,
so.
by the way, your camera isn't on. You only see me on your.
Oh, yeah, you came on now because I have two cameras. I have the camera if I'm alone.
Ah, okay. And if someone joins.
Yeah, if someone joins, I have to switch it. 1, 2, 3. Watch this. Go. There we go. Close that one. Where's the time?
Right in your face.
Lock it. Hey, why is it on my face? There we go.
That's on my face.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's put it, you know what?
Uh,
Let's put it, where can we put it? Put it on the bottom for now, unless someone else joins in. Okay, now what went long? I got two bots going. Okay, this bot now went long. I like this trade. I would join in on this trade. But the trade got in at 67. And if I jump in now, I'm jumping in at 75, 8 points worse.
it's just 8 points.
Hey, all joking aside, well, now I can get it even. This strategy or bot or whatever,
Yeah.
killed it today. I'm looking, starting at well, there's no trades. It needs a retrace. It actually enters on the retrace. So no trades over here. Check it out. Winner, 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 winner. It only loses if it goes 4. 1, 2, or 3 it wins. No, 1 it doesn't win. It doesn't enter. 2 or 3 it wins. So that's a winner, 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 winner. It killed it. This was to be a loser. Then it's, let me change my cursor again, off. This is a 3, that's a winner. A 2, it's a winner. This is a 4, it's a loser. And now this is the last trade. It would have been up like, I'd say 12 to 1500 tonight. If I had run it, if I came on time. Yeah, it puts up some good numbers, this strategy. Okay, I got two strategies competing for attention. You
Mhm. Oh
know what?
man,
Let me put it on
this long
Sim.
is looking pretty short.
Let me put it on Sim 102 so that they don't fight for the same space. Yeah, we just got below a swing low on the 1 minute. So what do you use? Are you using multiple time frames? Like right now, I got my 1 minute short because we went below a swing, but the 2 minute, okay, the 2 minute is short also. I don't think the 5 is though. So,
I'm looking at the 30-minute and the 50.
yeah, okay.
Yeah.
And what do they
But
look
right
like?
now is I feel like this is a manipulation candle coming back down or something. Looks out of whack.
If I put up the 30 minute, yeah, I could see, so when you say a manipulation candle, you're thinking it's going to trade down to maybe 22,000, wick that level on the 30 minute, and then head back higher?
Nah, not so much down. I think it's gonna go down to like the other lows, which is like I think 2240 probably max max. I don't think it'll even go down far, but yeah.
Okay. Yeah, well, in that area, though. I mean, we do have it as
Mhm.
support over here, a resistance over here, and
Mhm.
then it became a support and a support. Yeah, this is a cool chart to look at. The 30 minute gives you a decent amount of data.
The only thing is on the 30-minute, a lot of things happen inside 30, like a lot.
That's a clean chart. I'm reading it well, this one. I should make this my 15-minute chart because I really only check to see what it does in relation
What do
to
you look at?
the
Just like the
Asians.
5 minute or what? 5 minute and
Mostly Renkos.
okay,
Ninety
my
percent
bad.
Renkos. I'm doing this 1, 2, 5 minute thing with I'm just playing with it.
Yeah.
But yeah, mostly Renkos. I don't know why I don't have a limit order over here. I should
How long
have.
have you been using wrinkles for? Is that like a
Oof.
new like a
No,
new
no,
use
no,
or
no, no, no. 12 years, 13 years.
jeez.
Wow, I really like this 30-minute chart, the way it came out.
Mhm.
It's so super clean. Maybe it's because it doesn't have a lot of data on it. Maybe if I days to load, maybe that's why it's looking so easy and clean for me. Anyways, I'm going to try and adapt that into my 15-minute chart. I like it. Okay, why is my strategy not taking a short trade? It should have when it crossed the blue line to the upside. I thought I coded everything properly. New strategy builder.
Shit. Fuck. That feels like a handful, man.
The mistakes are usually obvious. We'll see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 4. State real time. Enter short limit. Lot size. Open. Oh, there we go. That's weird. Now the order is there. Okay, I don't know. Maybe something weird happened. We'll watch. Oh, I have a short trade. Short at 50. Let's see if I can get a better price.
All right, it can't go lower than this.
What do you mean it can't go lower than
If it
this?
goes lower than this, I'm out.
Oh, you're still long.
Yeah.
Okay. That's bad news for you because I got a 70% chance we're going down to 43.
Well, I mean, yeah, that's what I was thinking. I was thinking at least it will go down there in the worst case scenario, but then it'll come back up. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I want a better price than 50. I want to get 54. Actually, let me put in my okay, first off, Trading off the
54
30-minute.
what? 54
54
long?
short.
Oh my. You're fading me again, futures. What's going on?
Really?
You've been fading me the whole time.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. I need the volatility.
Well, there's a couple of wicks there on the 1 minute. 1, 2, 3, standing there like popsicle sticks or like soldiers. See what happens. I put in my sell limit.
You know what they say, right? When it can't go down, it has to go up.
Yeah.
The invisible force field it has right there at 40 can be critical. For me, at least.
There's a lot of opportunity in these bars.
Yup.
Look how many don't have a wick. Right? So imagine you short right here. It goes up, you short. And if the tiniest of wick forms, you get out. But the probability is you're not going to have a wick. Look, here, one had a wick. No wick, no wick, no wick, no wick. No. All these you can scalp inside these bars, putting your stop as the wick. No wick, no wick, no wick, no wick. You see what I mean?
Yeah.
Like that's what I'm trying to create. A scalper within the range, within the vibration, what I call the vibrational range. I sound like now ICT with his consequent encroachment. I don't know, consequent encroachment. Oh, does that kill me, that expression? But like, there you can do some major micro scalping inside here with limit orders. Just put it up around here. Of course, last night when I tried to show you stuff, that was Omnius's stuff. One trade work, and then I PDLL'd out of 2 Apex evals. Okay, fuck off. I'm going to try. That trade's over. Let me try a one lot.
Holy fuck, can I please get a bounce? Oh my god. This is excruciating right here. So close to my stop loss. That's such a bad trade, I think. I don't know why I don't know my like everything that I was looking at made it seem like it was to go up. It had a failed head and shoulders pattern.
Oh, yeah, I saw you were typing head
The
and shoulders.
Yeah, the 15-minute, 30-minute look good. I mean, I don't know. Maybe I'm looking at it on the wrong side. Maybe I'm on the wrong side of the trade right now.
Yeah. Okay, that was a little scalp. I don't know what I was at. I think I made $13 on that. Now we're back up. Let me sell again. Sell a little more. Oh, it made a wick. I have to get out. It made a wick. Okay, 90. So I was at 92. I went up. And now I'm back down to 90. Head and shoulders.
I'm gonna just put my thing at break even. Fuck it.
Where did you see the head and shoulders forming again on the 30-minute?
No, I saw that on the 5.
Yeah, it was
I'm
what it
not the
says.
5. My bad. The 2. I'm gonna use it the first. What was it?
Yeah, it was around 9 o'clock. Oh, yeah, I could see it. The shoulder
Yeah,
here
yeah,
at 1932, and then the next one here, and break above, yeah. Well, I gotta say, just looking at the 2-minute, this is a very common pattern where it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, breaks lower. You think we're gonna go, we're heading, we're gonna head and we're gonna take out this low and we're gonna crash, and then it goes
yeah.
higher. Market has a lot of these fake out patterns, but when you break them down, there's probably not many of them. There's probably about
Are they back at the break?
5 or
Oh,
10 of
back
them.
up. Oh my god. Oh, shit.
Okay, so now the bot went short at that line there, the blue line. That's the entry
Yeah, so
line.
I had to fade you and the bot and the bot.
This
Oh, I'm fucked. Oh
is the
shit.
new bot. This is not Mad Mantonio. What is Mad Mantonio doing? Mad Mantonio is flat right now.
He's long right now.
Sim 101. Sim 101. No, he's short 3. Let's watch Sim 102. And let's do a quick analysis of this. 30-minute. Duplicate new tab. Move it over because I want to make my 15 like that. I really like this. It's a beautiful chart. Nice colors. Turn it back over to the 5-minute. And the 5-minute, if we close below the swing low there, well, then we've reversed, at least temporarily, directions. So I told my son last night at a barbecue how well ChatGPT is helping me with the clicker and everything, you know?
Yeah.
Then he comes on the stream and I'm losing my mind with a 12 lot and I'm reversing and reversing. That's what the fuck you're doing. You didn't even last a day. I said, no, okay, you're right. You're right. I'm getting out. I'm having a bad day. I fell off the wagon or whatever. I'll get back on track. And I did get back on track pretty quickly. But it's so funny how I told him he opens up the stream and like I'm falling
The first thing you're
apart.
doing.
Yeah, I'm falling apart right in front of his face.
There we go. There we go. That's what I'm talking about, man. Yeah. Now you this pump to go all the way up to fucking our last night's high.
Last night's high.
Yo, I'm going for it, man. Get a little liquidity sweep, come back down where it needs to
You
go.
mean when you talk about last night, you mean Monday's action or you're talking going to Friday?
No,
Oh
no, no. I'm
no,
talking
yeah.
about
Monday.
yeah,
Monday has to be Monday.
yeah, yeah.
Friday's even lower. Okay.
If I get wrecked, I get wrecked. Oh well, I made it this far. I'm like wood chip right now. I held it for like what it's been like what 15 minutes,
Oh
12
yeah.
minutes.
You got a long one there going.
Mhm.
What is this here? Edit. Okay, enter. Perfect. Perfect.
Forget about it.
Okay, wait for the next setup. Wow, crude got back up into the 70s. Shit.
I mean, how this war talk is going, I'm pretty sure it's gonna go super high, man.
Mm. Yeah, but Iran is not a war, is not an oil country.
Yeah, but the people around them are like, I think Saudi Arabia is taking in refugees. I mean, not refugees, people from Iran, so they can
Okay.
evacuate the city and stuff like that. You know what I mean?
Mm,
It's like the neighbor countries are getting affected as well.
yeah. Hey, I just said there's no wicks. Now all of a sudden you're gonna form a wick on every candle?
Dude, what the fuck is going on right now? This price action is completely fucking.
Well, that should be a long then.
Oh, don't do that. Please don't.
I went long with you.
Oh, nice. Now it's definitely gonna go up.
Let's see. Come on. Go hit my take profit. I love hearing the
How many?
cash. Hmm?
How many are you going for? How many points?
I don't know, 44, and I'm starting to take profit at 49, 51, and 53. So 44, 53, 9 points max, 7, and 9. It's,
Oh my god, I'm really about to get stopped out right now.
it's going
Oh,
down.
but,
It's going down. Okay.
oh, yeah.
Oh, that's a black candle. I got to get out. That officially got stopped out. Okay, let's try again. I'm going short. I'm going to ring the bell eventually.
Yeah, I think I'm on the opposite side of this trade. Hopefully not. Hopefully just nope.
There we go.
Got stopped out. Crazy.
Only one?
Ah, that would suck. That sucked. I was up 800. Now I'm back down to 6. Oh god.
What size do you trade usually?
Like 4 contracts, maybe 5, depending on how I feel.
Minis?
Nah, micros.
Oh, micros. And you were up
Yeah.
800 bucks?
I mean, I'm throughout the day. I'm talking about since the open.
Okay.
Yeah, when open hit, I hit a sale, and it went all the way back down. And that first rejection, I placed a buy, got back up 200. Placed another sale, got back up another 200. So I came up 800, and right now this is the second time I've tried to go long, and it stopped me out. So I went down like 400 now. So I'm at 6. I was like at 890 or almost 1,000, I think. I don't even know. This happened so fast.
Mm,
Just gone like the wind. Or see, that's when I should just like stop. Just got out. That would have been cool. Just 800 for the whole day. Maybe later get another one. Unnecessary trade. I mean, it's an eval though, so whatever. Now, if it doesn't push down and it just goes up from right here, it would be so salty because this is where my stop was at.
what's the
I
five
put it at
minute?
break even. I
Yeah,
was
well,
literally right here.
we're at the pivot point, so here, let me change my chart to the 5 minutes. The top one there. This is the 5 minute NQ. We're right at the pivot point. And we have a swing low that formed there, so it may stop. I mean, I hope not, because I'm short, but let me sell again. No. This type of scalping is going to get me into trouble. I know it. I developed a new hyper scalping system. We'll see what happens. Well, I do know what the mistake was I was doing when my son caught me. I was buying in the extensions, at the bottom of the bars. I wasn't letting the price pull back a little bit. Yeah, I see. Well, it's because I changed
The chart, yeah.
yeah, I changed the chart. Did you hear what happened when I was doing this with Omnius and I put it on pause? I said I got to go to the bathroom or something. I put it on pause and it was on his stream and my affiliate code went up in the little box.
And when someone used it, that would be
I
hilarious.
know, but fuck, it was funny. I come back, he goes, "Hey, you fucker, your affiliate code is on my screen." I said, "Oh shit, I'm sorry. I didn't
He
know."
also has one.
Yeah, he does, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Because the cameras move around, depending on who joins
Yeah,
and stuff. They change around these cameras.
I like the casino layout you have, like the little Vegas thing.
What? Oh, the deal me in.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it too, but I gotta make it better. And I gotta use it for something already soon, where people can win prizes. I mean, that would be cool. Hey, hey, hey.
Hey, I did this parlay yesterday for like $2, a six-man pick for $106, right?
Okay.
And five of them hit, and the sixth one went over by like 3 points.
Oh yeah.
Dude, broke my heart.
But for what game?
Nah, it's like this is like a an esports game,
Ah,
like Call of Duty type thing, yeah.
holy shit.
But yeah, dude, I I needed I needed him to go under 32 kills, and he got 35.
Mm,
Broke my heart.
so close.
That would have been the easiest money I've ever made,
Yeah, that would have been
literally.
fun.
Well, I mean, not easiest money I've ever made, but I mean, because I mean, you do have to kind of look at the analytics a little bit. I
Yeah.
mean, I already know who the players are, so. But
It's all Call of
but
Duty?
no, it's a Counter Strike. I don't know if you know that game.
No. My son's,
Yeah,
I know
it's the
my,
same thing,
okay.
basically. Yeah.
Maybe it's what they were
Like
playing.
I send it to you on Discord so you can see my tragedy.
On my Discord?
Yeah,
Yeah, okay.
like to your messages.
Not on Snatch.
Nah, nah, not the snatches.
Okay, we're stuck here. Jiggle loose. Jiggle loose one way or another. It's not working well. The new strategy, there's supposed to be a limit order at. Oh, maybe it's there. Oh, yeah, there is a limit order. Okay. I keep forgetting what account I'm on. You know what? I'm getting confused. Seriously confused. So I'm turning off Mad Mantonio for the evening since I missed all the winning trades anyways. I'm just going to watch this one. Oh, wow, look. I forgot I had a trade. And I'm up a big $34. Got back up over 100. Actually, why am I covering here? This is where I'm supposed to be adding to the trade.
Mhm.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Mhm.
Add. Sure, let's go and add. Let's hear the cash register ring.
Ding.
Unless it goes up. It's too bad it doesn't play on the Discord for you
Yeah, too
guys to
bad.
hear it. But it plays on the stream. It's fun. Oh, we're getting close. Oh, oh, oh. No, I didn't hit it. I still got three. It's what
Aw.
I got three buy limits over there. One's got to be taken out. You gotta wait. There we go. Now you can do it.
Oh, I think I'm a little too late.
You're getting greedy.
There you go.
Yeah,
You
I
still get
saved
it.
the big excitement for when all of them are hit. This is cool. I like this. See, the problem is though with me is I'm gonna say, okay, since the probability is this bar is not going to form a wick, I can sell here with a stop just above the bar and hope it continues. But then when it forms a wick, I have another strategy that's selling here, so I'm going to hold on. And then my losses are going to start to grow. So you got to pick and choose your poison.
Yep.
But so far, not bad. Come on, make a little push lower.
Oh,
There's
fuck.
the wick, so you would get out.
That's crazy.
But now the other one is in. So now I have to cancel my stop. Might as well add. And see what happens. 45, 75, 46. Okay, the stops are in the same place. Let's see what happens. Now I got a 7 lot. This is like having a bet on the casino table and you don't even know how much you're going to get paid if you hit. You just threw chips anywhere.
Oh my god, this is crazy.
Don't take me out. Come on, there's plenty of time to reverse and dump lower. This is just a 3-bar bear flag.
Sometimes you gotta talk nice to it.
I don't know how to do that. You jammed me up there. Come on. Break the low. There we go. Now extend lower. One quick bar. No, I was thinking about it. Even your entries, you form them all on the higher time frames, like the 30-minute, 15-minute.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Usually I look for like a wick, you know what I mean? Like on the 30-minute, if you see the wick on where is that? Like on like this one the where my bad. I can't even tell you what candle it is, but I basically entered at the bottom of the wick of that candle,
Yeah.
hoping it went up, and it did. I mean, it got a good reaction and everything. Just that I guess we lost. I guess we just got exhausted, honestly. Like buyers got exhausted.
So in a half an hour, how many trades can you find in like a U.S. session, or forget it, the whole day, the U.S. session, the evening session, if
I
you're
mean,
trading
it
morning?
depends. I mean, like I said, there's a lot of things that happen in 30 minutes. Like usually there's like I feel like there's like a pump and then there's a dump on each 30 minute.
There we go. Let's close everything out and get reorganized. A lot of things. Well, okay, so you don't wait for it to close then,
No,
because if you wait for the 30-minute to close, you got basically.
I mean it depends. If it's going the direction I want, then yeah, I'll let it close and then look for the next one and see if it's going the same direction. But
Mm,
usually what I've noticed is that like the 30 minute, what one pumps the way it wants to, and the other one inverses it. So then the hour can go wherever it wants. If that makes sense, you know? Because the
yeah.
hour has two parts to the 30 minutes, but that's why you also gotta look at the 50 minute though, because the 50 minute you have two 50 minutes inside the 30. You know what I mean? So
Mm,
you have two other plays in there. I don't know. It's really hard to break it down the way I'm trading. On it, I'm just trading like if I see something on different time frames that all coincide. But I'm trying to just stick to the 30 minute and the hour. I'm trying to let
okay.
go of the 15 minute. So I could just stick on one high trade. But man, these wicks are hard. It's hard to tell what's gonna wick in what direction. You know what I mean? Like
Mm,
how far the wick is.
it's always hard to tell. It's rare you get an easy trade when you. I don't even know how
Like,
to define an easy trade, but there are some times I say, okay, this is an easy trade. It's just so well defined. You get in, and they usually work out.
yeah.
Hey, was it you that told me to use ChatGPT to create that indicator that I want to
No,
calculate
I think
how many
I think
ring?
that was Omnis.
Okay, that's a great idea, man. I've been wanting that indicator for I think a couple of years now. Never even thought of it. I use ChatGPT so much and I never even thought of it. Okay, let me bring these over to the new
It's
50-minute
honestly
chart.
amazing what AI can do, to be
Oh,
honest.
it's insane. Absolutely.
Yeah.
9:30 to 10:30.
Oh, this is a dump right here. This would be so nice if it's a dump.
2:01 to 9.
But where would we go? Maybe wick down to 989? Maybe? Too much? Oh, look at that. Looks beautiful. Oh no, no, come back. Come back, please.
Come
No,
back.
man.
Come
Uh,
back. Okay, short again. I swear to God, this thing could just be like a little machine printing money.
for real.
Every time it hits the blue line, it goes short. Look at the take profit and the stop loss. I gotta say that's at least 2 to 1, if not more. 32.50 to 7. 32. 22.32. 19. Yeah, it's 2 to 1. It's not more than 2 to 1. It's 2 to 1.
Ah, don't you fucking do this. Don't you
I,
fucking go up.
I gotta
Don't
see
don't
this
you
one
do it.
is
Don't you do it.
gonna definitely make more than 50% of the trades.
We did like if you look in the 30-minute, we still didn't even close out that other candle. So I don't understand what the fuck the push was.
Mm,
Weird.
Stop filled.
okay, new orders now to buy. This will be interesting. I'm gonna watch this.
Oh,
10:30 save. Save, yes. Opening range. Template. Save 2 to 9. Save. Opening range. 7 to 11. Save. Okay. Okay. 15 minutes. Goodbye.
we are literally about to go to war. Why is the market going up?
Who's going to war? Nobody's going to war. You really think the U.S. is going to get involved? They're going to help Israel, maybe, but they're not going to get involved. Oh,
Gold
wait a minute. I
decreased
take it back.
below 3,000.
If Iran gets ballsy and starts attacking U.S. bases,
Mm-hmm.
then I can see the U.S. jumping in, especially with Trump. He's not going to sit back and take it. He's going to
Trump
say,
has directed his team members to try to meet with Iranians as soon as possible.
he's going to tell them to fuck off, and he'll go do something.
Reports that 3 ships are on fire in the Gulf of Oman near the Strait of Haruns.
Okay, three
Oh.
ships. Those could be little fishermen, little old fishermen in their little chaloupe. A chaloupe is a French word for a boat with a motor in the back.
It's a big old warship halfway sinking. That'd be crazy.
A chaloupe.
Uh,
What's the word for a chaloupe in English? Template. Load. Okay. There we go. I have a new looking, a new 15-minute chart. That's really a 30-minute chart. Yeah, it's cool. I like it. You know what? I can see a little bit of more data this way than with the 15-minute chart. It's got some nice colors. Beautiful. Now let's get back to scalping. 2 minutes. 1 minute. What are we doing at the 1 minute? 1 minute since we broke the swing low. We've been trading lower. Tried to break a swing high, but not yet. 2 minute is short. 5 minute obviously is short. Okay. Let's wait.
oh my God, this looks horrible.
So right now, Sim 102, which is trading the new algo, that's the one I just did today. Every time there is a wick that's going to form, it's going to go long. Oh, I'm requiring more than a wick. I'm requiring four ticks better, I think. Ah, bah. It's not on every wick. 37, 34, 50. Why is that 12? Oh, it's the previous one. See, I made a mathematical error.
I'm gonna use the restroom. I'll be back.
Yeah, no problem.
All right, I'm back.
All right, all right. Next up on
Did it drop? Did it
stage.
drop? Did it drop? Did it drop? Yeah.
Next up on stage is Mercedes.
And for my next trick, uh, I think wood chip overslept and fell and day home from work.
Yeah.
Just knocked out. Be hilarious.
He spends a shitload of time on the charts.
I mean, honestly, man, I feel like the longer you're on the charts, the more profitable you become. To be honest, you look at, you know what I mean? Like it's a lot easier when you know what's been happening for the
Mm,
past like week or something. But sometimes it's better when you get off the charts and you come back with a clear mind. It's like a balancing scale.
yeah. So you still have a position? I don't know. Short?
Yeah, I'm still short,
Okay.
unfortunately. But it's too late now. I'm already committed.
I just went long.
I love it.
Ah, well, I took longs, I took shorts. My bias switches 100 times a day. I'm trying some aggressive scalping. I want to see how it goes.
Is this the first trade or is this
The first? No, I took quite a few already.
no? But I'm saying like trading aggressively, like how you're saying scalping.
Uh, no, the aggressive scalping. What I mean by aggressive scalping, not large size, just let's call it instead high frequency scalping. It's not a
Ah, okay, I see what you're saying.
that's what I meant.
Okay.
You know, scalping with inside the, there you go, taking profits. Scalping inside the bars.
Hmm.
You know, so I make up my own I don't know what word to use, but like I said, on the white chart, hold on, let me change my, on the white chart, it's very rare that you get a wick. So if I don't have a wick on the bar and it comes lower, I can take that trade and try to, you know, pull out 4 or 5 points, because the probability is, it really looks like the probability is, I'd say 20% that you're going to get a wick. So that means there's an 80% probability it's going to go higher if I just get somewhere lower in those bars. The thing is, once the wick forms, I then have a wick trade. So I have overlapping trades. Like right now, I just took a wick trade because anything under this blue line means there's a wick. And at that point, I can take a wick trade and again try for it to continue instead of forming another color. Because especially over here, you know how I say 70% chance, right?
Yeah.
Well, this is, you can easily see it's a much bigger than 70% chance that the next bar continues to be the same color.
Hmm.
You know, like how many times did we change colors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We changed colors 6 times. And I have how many bars? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 49, 50, 51, 52, 67, 58. Yes, it's 1 in 10. You have a 10% chance, basically, that the bar is going to change colors. So if you can get in at a good price and assume that that bar is going to close the same color, you got about a 90% chance, probably 80, to be honest with you. But right now you got a 90% chance just in this little area here that the bar continues the same color. So that's what all these the dotted lines, this is where the bar closes, this is where the bar changes color, and this is where you should start looking to enter. And the lower you get, the better. But I'm also playing inside the bars. That's an outside the bar one because it already wicked. But I'm also playing inside I can't play inside the bars anymore because this one wicked. But as soon as it closes, I could start playing inside the bar on the next one. This one's now just an outside the bar trade. So that dash line there. And I finally found my error. See, there we go. Formed another thing. Now I can play inside the bar. So if we come down to here, somewhere around here, I can enter with the assumption that we're not going to form a wick.
All right, I'm reverse my position. Fuck it.
And when I take all these trades, my son calls me and says, Mike, what the fuck you doing? Okay, Alex, you see when you have this bar and then if you trade inside the bar. Because, Dad, you're always making up fucking trades. Yeah, that's who I am. Okay, oh, bad entry. Bad entry.
Does he trade like you?
No, he's
Like
ICT.
complete opposite?
He's ICT. I tried to teach him scalping, and he did phenomenal. If I would have showed you, I wish I saved his equity graph. He was crushing it. He did so good. It was straight up. And he learned it in 2 weeks. To put it this way, the first day I sat with him and I taught him, he was all discouraged. He didn't understand nothing because, I have so many different ways to look at how you can try and steal a few points out of the market. And hold on, there we go. He says, Dad, I'm going to come down tomorrow. I have no idea what I'm going to do. I said, okay, perfect. I'm going to show you what to do. Like all these inside bars, outside bars. Actually, even then we were calling it, I called it play the vibration. You're actually playing the noise. You're trying to scalp the noise. By day 3, day 4, he knew what he was doing when he was coming down already. And in 2 weeks, he didn't even want me helping him anymore. And he really ran with it and did great. But then he moved to his girlfriend's house and he doesn't have the same charts. You have to do it off the top step charts mostly. I mean, I'm doing it off the ninja charts, but the ninja charts have a lot more false signals and a lot more whipsaw than the top step charts, and he gave up on it. It's okay. Thing is, he has the experience now, So if ever I get a chance to, sit beside him and give him the top step charts again, or whoa, wow, that was a fast.
Stop filled.
That shouldn't have been stop filled. You see how they cheat?
Ooh,
the stop is at
what I lost came right back.
No, there's an error. The stop is farther away. Apparently.
Stop filled.
Literally what I lost has come right back into my hand. Ha ha ha. I feel like the count right now. 100, 200.
I don't know.
Yeah, that was a pretty ballsy move. I can't even lie though. I put like 8 contracts right there on a buy, so I can close up this little gap we have. That's exactly what I needed, to be honest. We should just got back in it right now, but nah. Learned my lesson already. Learned my lesson.
Remove, apply. Okay, was that? Oh, that was at 9 o'clock. That was a funny candle for 1052.
Dude, with all the news we have, that's mind blowing.
Oh, yeah. Yep, you never know what could be announced, eh? At any
Uh,
second. U.S. drops bomb on Iran. Boom, the markets will go
yeah,
nuts.
literally explosion occurred in Iran's capital, right? And then breaking, Trump team proposes Iran talks this week on nuclear deal and ceasefire. Breaking, China calls all its citizens to leave Israel via land route to Jordan as soon as possible.
Breaking news. Explosion heard in Iran's capital. Retraction. It was just some guy's motorcycle.
Damn, look at this. This is crazy. Okay, and I had to short this. I'm sorry. There's no way I don't short this.
Hey, Sparky. Here's the monster that bit me in the face yesterday. Oh, no, yesterday, Sunday. Hey, Sparky.
Call it Sparky.
Yeah. He's a
Pretty
good
funny.
boy. Okay, sit.
Doesn't know any tricks.
He knows to lift his paw if he wants a cookie.
My dog gives me its left hand and its right hand.
Okay.
It can spin. He can lay down, heel, walk by me, all that.
Yeah, my daughter taught our dog a lot of tricks. The cat, I started to teach him to do dog things, but like give me your paw. But
Yeah.
he didn't learn give me your paw. He won't touch your hand. He'll just lift his paw in the air. He's got it, but like only half.
He's like, whoa, dude, what, why you trying to touch me?
But don't touch him. He'll show it to you.
Chill. I don't even know you.
I
That's
don't even know you.
hilarious. Appreciate the cookie, but man, what, liquidity sweep or going back up? What do you think?
I'm not even watching. I'm coding some more stuff. Ninja Trader doesn't make it easy to do stuff. Well, that's weird. You disable the thing and it disappears. My thing is fucked up. I have to think close Ninja Trader and restart it. Whatever. Remove. Okay. Four. -4. Apply. Okay. The fuck? Let's see what happens. So you see how many bars went without a wick? On any of those bars, if you got in anywhere and then got out, if the next one closed blue, you did well. Except for this one. This one you got wicked, so you would have stopped out. So it's just up to you to get a good price, to fight for a good price.
Damn, man, it feels so good when you get hit with a candle like that and you were already inside of it,
Yeah.
you know, for a minute. Like I was under the VWAP in that long.
Okay.
I think I was like at 40, 42, or no, 52. I was at 52 when it went long.
Oh, this looks like a little bit of a bull flag. I'll get in here for a 3 lot. Do I have time to check my stop? 91.50, 91 and a quarter. Perfect. Stops in the perfect place. Takes me out, it takes me out. I PDLL'd this account last night at 300 and something, 340. I don't know. I'm already 2/3 in the evening. Got it back. I'm happy with that. Except I
Dude, look at the 1 hour chart. That is crazy. Doesn't
Okay.
make any sense.
Okay. You got me to put up the half an hour chart. Be happy.
I mean, really, look at it. I mean,
You guys are never
it
happy.
has to go up. It has to go up.
You guys are never happy. I put up a half an hour. Look at the 1 hour chart. I put up a 1 hour chart. Hey, the 4 hour is cool. I put up the 4 hour. You know, have you ever tried the 8 hour chart?
Dude, just look at the daily.
Yeah.
I'll hit you with that one later. Have you seen the week chart? Oh, fuck.
2-minute bullish, 5-minute bullish. My new 30-minute.
1 hour chart looks crazy though, right? Tell me it doesn't look.
Nah, I don't have it.
You should. You should. You're missing out on some quality right now. Cause we're about to close.
I'm trying to scalp the 1 hour Renkos. No, don't make another wick. Come on, not after 2 bars. Go back up. No wick. No wick. But then if it wicks, I have a wick trade. Well, why isn't it? I don't get it. It's like it picks and chooses when it enters in its limit orders. Okay, that's a wick. I got to cancel my stop because now we have a wick trade. So with a wick trade, I can add and maybe save the trade. Let's see what happens.
How's the sim doing?
Down
Or is that in the
177, but
trade?
it doesn't make sense. Well, Sim 101's irrelevant right now. That's all fucked up. It's not accurate data. Sim 102 also, I guess, not accurate data because it's not taking all the trades. It should be long now also, but it's not. I don't know why. It takes a trade and then it goes to sleep and then it decides when it wants to enter another limit order. So I'll have to play with it on market replay and see why it's delaying between orders. Okay, well, this is going to be half my evening profits if I get stopped out.
Oh my God, no way.
Well, I doubled up, that's why. Shouldn't have doubled up. Of course, I can always not get
Stop
stopped.
filled.
I can always not get stopped out in DCA till I blow the account.
Mm-hmm. Just
Okay,
hold it and hold it and hold it.
let's build back up again. Let's build back better. Okay, let's take a random short.
And this is my entry. like this short could really go all the way.
Okay, no wick.
You know what I mean?
Mm.
Like if you look at the 15-minute, he just go all the way down and retrace that. If you look at the 1 hour, he go all the way down and finish that other candle it didn't
I have
retrace.
no more 15-minute. I replaced it with your 30-minute. How much chart space do you think I have? How many
I
monitors do
mean,
you guys have? Jesus
I,
Christ.
I'm running two charts on two monitors, so
Okay.
four charts.
Whoa. We're right on VWAP. We're right on VWAP. This candle's going to have a wick.
Nah, I think it's pushing down.
Boosh. I got to create my push graphic. So I have it for tomorrow. Okay, 174, back up.
Try to hit 1,000 again, man. You can play 800. And you know what's crazy? I feel like if I traded my live account like this, I'd still be profitable. But it's just the fucking, not even the anxiety, but just the risk, man.
Mm,
Like getting, you know what I mean? Like on an eval, I can lose 500 and not even bat an eye. But I
yeah,
lose
yeah,
500
yeah,
on
yeah.
a, you know what I mean? Lose 500 on a live account. Oh fuck.
Mm.
You know what I mean? Like shit. Someone take away the board.
And the size of
Cancel.
your accounts, they're 50Ks or they're
Yo,
150Ks?
no, they're 50Ks. Yeah.
50?
I have, yeah, 50. I haven't went to the 150 yet because I'm not. Like I said, I only started trading like maybe like a month and a half ago or 2 months
Yeah, yeah.
ago now at this point. So I'm not really too confident in myself to be putting that much down.
Those are tough, those 150Ks. You have to make a shit ton of money. You have to make 200%.
Yeah, but you have so much drawdown. You know what I mean? Like if
200%.
that.
Doesn't matter what you have. You got to make 200%. You got to double it in order to pass. Even if you have $200,000 drawdown, then you'd have to make 400,000. You have to double it. You have to triple it, I mean.
I think I could.
Here's what I mean. If you put $4,000 in your account, your own $4,000, right?
Yeah.
And I tell you, you got to bring it to $12,000, and then I'm going to trust you to go live. That's tripling the money. If I tell you got to bring it to $8,000, you only have to double the money because you already have four.
Yeah.
So they're requiring you to make 9 when they give you 4,500 drawdown. So if you add it all together, you gotta bring your $4,500 to 13,500. That's a major feat. Seriously, it's a major accomplishment. And it's very hard to do. People don't realize it because they see the big number. Oh, I only have to make $9,000 on a $150,000 account. It's not even 10%. No, that $150,000 is a made-up number. They could have called it a $3 trillion account. They could also call it a $10,000 account.
Yeah.
We're so generous. We're the only firm in the world that has a $10,000 account, and we give you $4,500 drawdown. The number, the size.
Hey,
Go ahead.
that prop you put up, the prop shop trader. What is that? Is that like, is that good? Is that bad?
Oh, I have no idea. Someone was talking about them that they're a new firm. They're offering now. They're the first firm now that's offering 20 accounts.
'Cause
But
I remember I looked at the message and it was like for $597 you get 100K straight to funded. I was like, what the fuck? 596?
yeah, that's crazy expensive. Yeah.
597? Yeah, it's crazy expensive. Yeah.
Yeah. No, I saw it on the video, so I just repurposed it. I put it through an AI blender, and it repackages it, and then I post it to Twitter.
Uh,
That
I
has
follow you on
that has to
Twitter.
be where
Yeah.
you saw it. You saw it on Twitter
Yeah.
because I think
I follow you on Twitter. Yeah.
it's the only place I put that up. Yeah, you see all those down bars. No wick. Any down bar you entered in, you got continuation. So now I'm going to try and do the same thing with an up bar.
Dude, did I just get played out? No way. No way.
New strategy builder. Open it up again.
Oh, that's crazy. I cannot
Enter
believe
long.
when this.
Enter short. Duplicate new tab. Edit. Short. Okay. Add. Exit
Let's look
long.
at gold.
Limit.
How does gold look?
Exit short by limit order. Quantity.
Oh,
Price.
gold is dumping right now.
No, really?
Yeah.
Lot size. Limit price. Open. Plus. Long. Add to order. Add to open. Stop. Short. Add to open order. Stop.
Gold looks so crazy right now.
Gold is always crazy, in my opinion.
Is this where we break out on gold? I don't know. I don't even trade gold, so let me stop looking at it. But it looks chart looks like super difficult to read for me. Looks like he's getting retraced to every single thing.
Order management. Exit short stop market.
Sheesh, gold just fucking dropped. Damn. I wish I would have placed the sell. I knew it was gonna break out right there. Came down 20 points in one candle.
Wow.
Uh, from 3,400 to 3,099. Yeah, 3,090. 3,390. Can we get the same thing on MQ?
Mm. Okay, compile. Give me a second. Oh, my mic's still on?
Yep.
Okay. What time is it? Holy shit, it's after 11. Let's take a look what we got. Turn on camera. Oh, yeah, it goes right away to full screen. That's weird. Enabled. Once again, let's see what it does. Watch it a little bit more. And then I think it's time to call it quits.
I mean, you're up on profit today, right?
Say that again?
You're up in profit.
Yeah, my Apex is 269. The other two are Sims.
Ooh-wee.
Ooh, mama.
That's all you need.
Yeah, you are right. Tomorrow I'm not going to touch that account. Every little step forward is good.
Mm-hmm.
You are right.
When did you get that? When the market opened? Or
No, just here, scalping.
scalping? Wow. On two lots, right? Two lots in.
I went as high as, geez, I think I went as high as 12, maybe even a 6 and a 6.
Oh man.
That's when I lost the, when I said I gave back half. I think it was a little more than half.
That was it.
Somehow the market always knows when you increased your size.
It's like, this guy doesn't have that much drawdown.
Yeah.
Let me just.
We're going to go where he wants us to, but just not yet. First, we're going to take him out.
Yeah.
Okay, well, this is a wick bar, so I have to change color. So if I want to get in now, I have to get in somewhere on the wick, which is under the blue dashed line. There we go. Oh, I didn't get in right away, but let's call that a wick trade. That means ATM 1. And of course, it's funny, I was thinking how hard of a game this is. You know, people play video games, they get so good at them. This is the same game day in, day out.
24, almost 24/7.
Yeah, and it's hard to master. You just keep playing it and keep playing it and keep playing it, keep playing it. It's hard to master it. That's pretty impressive. Okay, I think 88 will be my entry if I can see 88 on the bid.
88 for what? Short?
88 long.
88 long? What the fuck? I'm gonna get out of mine. I'm over here thinking the market's still gonna short.
There we go, 88.50. Well, I'm just playing this here. If it hits the dash line, I'm gone. Which is 81 and a quarter about, and my stop's at 80.50. So if I get lucky, the best case scenario is it actually, if it stops me out. It stops me out, goes back up without hitting my stop, and then I can get out at a better price, which looks like it's going to happen. There we go.
Stop filled.
Stop filled. No chance. I'm still up 201. Now I'm going to play the inside the bar game. And I'm going to assume that a fourth bar is going to form without a wick. And we got view up there. What's the 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute doing? 2 minute is long. 1 minute is long. 5 minute is long. Uh-oh. I'm on the wrong side. Shouldn't be in this trade. Let's just get down to 22,075 and I'll be happy. Yeah, there we go. 77, good enough. That's an interesting concept. Ah, fuck you, cheaters. It was 76 bid. By the time I clicked it, it went to 79 bid. I got a shittier order. Okay, Antonio, I think I'm going to call it quits for today. And come back tomorrow morning, 9:15.
Not a bad time.
Yeah. So, if you're going to continue to trade safe, and hopefully I'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah, for sure, man. Take it easy.
Okay, yeah, take it easy.
Let's say trading great again. Future Store has this to say. We watch all of your streams, cause it's not fun to trade alone. It wasn't just your trades, it's your blood, your sweat, your code. Patrick blazed the trail, roaring loud into the air. We've watched him carve his name, we've studied every stair. Now here we all are, brothers, Future's floor is at your door. We've learned from all your battles, and we crave the trading war. Gonna take a chance and prove our name. That's the price to play this trading game. Future Store. Wow, 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 wow. Future Store, come and trade on the floor. Future Store, come and trade on the floor.